Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by removing simple barriers. Clean the sensor and your fingertip because oil and debris block the sensor. Once done, make sure your iPad runs the latest iPad OS. Updates include biometric fixes, then restart the device to clear temporary glitches. After the reboot, go to Settings, Touch ID and Passcode and attempt an authentication. If it still fails, do not panic. Next, you will remove and re-add fingerprints with intentional technique. You now delete existing fingerprints and re-add them carefully because quality scans matter more than quantity. When adding, use slightly different angles and the sides of the pad so the sensor learns more of your fingerprint. This reduces false negatives. Make sure any case or screen protector that covers the sensor is removed and your finger is dry. Press firmly and keep steady contact through each sample. Repeat until the on-screen progress completes. If partial scans appear, redo that specific finger. You finish with stronger remedies only after the software retrain. Reset all settings to clear configuration issues, because this preserves data while reverting system tweaks that affect Touch ID. If issues persist, back up and perform a restore or DFU restore to eliminate deeper software corruption. Finally, if none of these steps fix it, arrange Apple Support Diagnostics. Hardware faults like a failing sensor or connector require professional repair. One key tip: track whether a recent drop or liquid exposure preceded the failure. That detail speeds repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.